Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular polish today. I'm gonna be using these two color polishes, Wonder Nail 22 and 24. Both of them have really fine glitter in them. They look really cute when I move my fingers. I really love the way they glitter under natural light. Okay, let's get started. I'm getting ready with opening the bottles. I applied the DF Strong Guard as a base coat and dried it well. I'm painting Wonder Nail 22, the light pink one, on the whole nail. Before it starts to dry, I'm gonna paint Wonder Nail 24 to make a gradient. Now I realized I didn't open a clear polish bottle. This happens all the time. Okay, so now I'm painting Wonder Nail 24, the dark pink one, on the upper part of the nail, and fading it with a clear top coat. It's like just scratching the surface. I have a silicone mat on the table. It's so useful. I put excess polish on the brush with the mat and clean the brush by leaving the color polish on the mat like this. I'm gonna try nuance nail on the little finger. I don't think it's called nuance nail overseas. I'd say it's kind of a marble design, but the marble patterns are not so obvious in this nuance nail. I'm gonna make a gradient on the ring finger. I'm painting the light pink polish on the whole nail and painting the dark pink one on the upper area. I'm fading it with a clear top coat. I'm painting the middle finger with a dark pink polish. I'm planning to put a nail art sticker later on this fingernail. I'm painting the index finger with a light pink polish, and I'm gonna make a nuance nail here too. I let them dry for 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I'm gonna paint the second layer of gradient. When I was doing this, I thought I was doing well on fading. But later I realized I didn't make a good gradient here. So I should have faded better here, right here. Fade more, Kozue! I'm gonna do the nuance nail on the pinky. This is the second time. After painting the light pink polish, I'm gonna put 2 small drops of dark pink polish and blend them with a clear top coat. Nuance nails have been popular in Japan, but I haven't done it a lot. Making a perfectly blurry nail art is pretty difficult for me. Now I'm gonna make the second layer of gradient with the dark pink. I move the top coat brush up and down, side to side, and down and up. I'm gonna paint the middle finger with dark pink. I'm gonna put a sticker on it, so I need to dry it well before that. Another nuance nail for today. I'm gonna put dark pink polish on New York and then Arizona on my nail. I hope you understand what I mean. The index finger nuance nail came out really well, I think. I'm gonna let them dry for 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat. It's not really gel nail though. I put some bullion beads on it before the top coat dries. Gel top coat on the little finger. After it dries well, I'm gonna apply sachet bead to it. I'm gonna put some bullion beads on the ring finger as well. I'm not gonna paint gel top coat on the index finger. I'm gonna stamp on it. I think I bought this plate from Shein. The same one might be available on Temu. I'm gonna use the most opaque stamping polish I own. I got it from Walmart in Hawaii. I'm not using a credit card. I tried to use this old plastic prepaid card to clean the excess prints. When I can't clean well, I use washi tape. Born Pretty, no smudge top coat oil. I always paint it after stamping. After 5 to 7 minutes, I'm gonna paint Paradu gel top coat. It's literally no smudge. I love it. I'm not gonna do anything for the next few hours to dry them well. A few hours later, I'm gonna use stickers from Temu. I guess I need to use a stamper to put the sticker on the nail. As you can see, I'm struggling with the sticker. Now I'm gonna use something unusual, air dry foil glue sticker from Temu. It helps nail art stickers stay on the nail better. And it seems like nail art with stickers and foil glue looks flat too. After the foil glue dries, which takes about 3 minutes, I'm gonna stamp the sticker on. I'm gonna use Paradu gel top coat. I'm gonna put some pearl beads and a bullion bead in the center. This is so cute and lovely. I'm just gonna add a little more gel top coat on it. I'm gonna apply sachet bead to all the nails except for the middle finger. The middle finger top coat is too wet for sachet. I'm gonna skip the middle finger. If I paint sachet bead on the middle finger now, sachet bead will shrink a lot on the nail art and the cuticle area will lift or some ugly line will appear. I still haven't painted sachet on the middle finger. You can see what my nails are like. The thumbnail gradient could have been better. My favorite today is a middle finger. It's so cute. I also like the stamping on the index finger. I thought Angelina Jolie had a tattoo like this, and I Google imaged her tattoos, and I found out her tattoos are nothing like this. My right hand looks like this. I made this nail art in this video. My hand's nail art isn't matching at all. Well, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!